my name is JT Kent. I am one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video we're going to be talking about the recycle bin. This is one of the more powerful features of the Sitefinity CMS. It simulates the recycle bin on your desktop computer and adds a bit of a safety net for those content editors. So from the dashboard on the right hand side there's a recycle bin link. You'll see here currently the recycle bin is empty. So if we click on the Pages tab, and we're going to delete this test page. You can delete it from the top or from underneath the Actions menu. So we'll say yes, move to the recycle bin. Under the Content, we can also delete images, and these will also go to the recycle bin. So we will select an image to delete. Return to the dashboard, and looking at the recycle bin, we will see now that there has been a page and an image. And clicking on the Pages menu, we'll see that the test page no longer exists underneath the About section. So we have the ability to restore a page. So clicking the checkbox and saying Restore Selected, back to the pages, and there we have it, the restored page. Same functionality exists with all content that we will restore. If we go back to the Images library, underneath banner images, we'll see that that light bulb image has been restored. Under Documents and Files, we have the same functionality. We'll delete an image from the default library. Back to the dashboard, to the recycle bin link, and we can click the empty recycle bin. You'll be prompted to say that this is a permanent change. We cannot revert back from this. So you have the option to cancel or continue. So we'll say yes, delete, and that is the recycle bin.